So good day. For Simpsons one-third rule, this is the multiple choice. For problem 1, use Simpsons one-third rule to find integral of 1.2 0.1 5x a raised to negative 2x dx. A 8.54%, B 8.4%, C 8.3%, D 8.2%. So the answer will be. So and then ito yung sa problem 2. Find the integral of upper limit of 1.3 and the lower limit is 0.1. So 5xa negative 2x using Simpsons one-third rule. So the answer is letter C, 2.8%. And then the problem number 3, find the solution of an equation 1 over x using Simpsons one-third rule. X1 is 1 and x2 4. H is equal to 0.5 yung step value. So the choices will be 6.9%, B is 0.89%, C is 7% and 88%, and answer will be letter B. So for problem number 4, engineering problems, Simpsons one-third rule, find the solution for the given value at the table. So H is 0.1, so ito yung table. And then the answer will be 0.39136. So for the solution for all of these problems will be as follows. Okay, for multiple choice problem number 1, Simpsons one-third rule of integration. This is the solutions, which is first, the formula for this Simpsons one-third rule is the integral of BE function of x dx approximate to h over 3 quantity of function of a plus 4 function of e plus b over 2 to plus function of b quantity. So problem number 1, use Simpson rule, one-third rule, to find the integral of 1.2 0.1 5x a exponential of a negative 2x dx. So first, let's find the step value, which is the step value is h. So h is b minus a over 2, which is ang b ay ang upper limit minus lower limit, which is 1.2 minus 0.1 over 2. So ito ay 0.1. Okay, yung step value ay 0.1. So the solution for this multiple choice number 1 is, so yung integral of b a function of x dx, which is equal to h is 0.1 over 3. Substitute na natin yung value. Function of a is 0.1 plus 4 function of a plus b, which is 0.1 plus 1.2 over 2. So plus function of b, which is 1.2. So quantity. Okay, 0.1 divided 3 is 0.03. So, tama ba? By 3. Okay, 0.03. Okay, so let's substitute the function of x. Yung function natin ito, yung 5x e raised to negative 2. So 5 ang x natin ay 0.1, ang a natin ay negative 2 0.1. So plus 4, yung function of 0.1 plus 1.2 ay 0.1 plus 1.2, 0.1 plus 1.2 over 2 ay 0.65 or 0.7. So times natin ang 5, yung a natin negative 2 times 0.7 plus function of b, which is yung dito na lang natin ilagay sa kasunod, 5, ang x ay 1.2. So 1.2 a negative 2 1.2. Okay, close. For this 5 times 0.1 times alpha A raised to negative 2. Ang x natin ay 0.1. Okay, equal to, so 0.03 0.4093 0.39 plus 4. So solve din natin itong isa, palitan na lang natin ng 0.7. Ito ay 0.8631 plus 1.2 equal to 0.5443. Okay, and then i-add na natin yung nasa loob. So 0.03 or direct na lang natin para mas mabilis. So 0.03 0.4093 plus 4 ang 0.8631 plus 0.5443. Okay, so the answer will be 0.1322. So ito yung sa using Simpsons 1/3 rule, ito yung result, 0.133. ito yung approximate value, ngayon to find the exact value, so the integral of 1.2 0.1 5x x a raised to negative 2, so x dx is equal to integral of 5 alpha a x alpha a is to negative 2 x with the upper limit of 1.2 0.1. So yung kanyang exact value ay loading pa 0.8425. Ito yung exact value. Ngayon, let's compute the summation of this. So time value minus approximate value over time value times 100. So substitute natin, yung time value natin ay 0.8425 minus approximate of 0.1322 over 0.8425 times 100. So 0.8425 minus 0.1322 divide 0.8425 times 100 is 84.31. 8.4% ang answer. So this is the answer for problem number 1. Okay, let's proceed to problem number 2 for multiple choice. Problem number 2, this is the solution. Find 1.3 integral of 1.3 0.1 5xe raised to negative 2x dx using 1/3 Simpsons rule. So the same lang din to ng nauna, problem 1. So the integral of function of x dx is approximate to h over 3 function of a plus 4 function of a plus b over 2 plus function of b sa quantity. So ito yung h, yung kanyang step value is b minus a over 2 is 1.3 minus 0.1 over 2 is equal to 0.6. So the integral of 1.3 0.1 5x a raised to negative 2x dx is equal to 0.6. Substitute natin yung h, function of 0.1 plus 4 function of 0.1 plus 1.3 over 2 plus function of 1.3. So yung 0.6 divide 3 is 0.2. So 5, substitute natin yung value which is 5x a raised to negative 2x, ito na, plus 4, 5 times 0.7 a raised to negative 2, 0.7 plus 5 times 1.3 a raised to negative 2 times 1.3. So ito yung result nitong 5 times 0.1 a raised to negative 2 is 0.4094 plus 4, ang result nito ay 0.8631 plus 0.4828. Ito yung ang result nito. So again, so times natin siya ng 0.2 sa labas, combine all the value, the result will be 0.8689. so ito yung kanyang approximate value. So yung exact value ay, to solve the exact value, the integral of 1.3 0.1 5xa raised to negative 2x is 0.8939. So let's compute kung sakto. So, 5 alpha x a raised to negative 2 alpha x. So ngayon ang kanyang lower limit is 0.1, upper limit niya is 1.3, equal to natin ang result 0.8939. so ito siya, 8939. ito yung exact value. So to solve the total summation, time value minus approximate value over time value times 100, ito yung result. So 0.89, copy natin, substitute 0.8939 minus 0.8689 over 0.8939 times 100. The answer will be 2.7967 or 2.80%. This is the answer for problem number 2 in multiple choice. For problem number 3, find the solution of an equation 1 over x using Simpsons 1/3 rule. x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to 4. Step value is 0.5. So the solution in the equation is function of x 1 over x. The values of table x and y is ibig sabihin from 1 to 4. So mag-a-add lang tayo dito yung 0.5 which is the step value. And then yung 0.6667 na ito, 0.5, 0.4, ito ay nanggaling sa table. So let's solve this for the function of x which is 1 over x. X is equal to, from step 1 to step 4, 0.5. Okay, so ito yon, 1, 0.667, 0.5, 0.4, 0.3, 0.2857. So to solve this problem, use the formula for integral of ito, which is approximate to h over 3 y sub 0 plus y sub 4 plus 4 y sub 1 y sub 3 plus y sub 5 plus 2 times y sub 2 quantity ng y sub 6. Okay, so yung step value natin is 0.5 over 3. So kung y sub 0 natin ay 1 plus 0.6667 plus 4. Ang y sub 1 natin ay, so ito yun, y sub 0, y sub 1, y sub 2, y sub 3, y sub 4, y sub 5, and y sub 6. So ang y sub 1 natin ay 0.667 plus y sub 3 0.4 plus y sub 5 natin ay 0.2857. So and then plus 2 y sub 2, ang y sub 2 is 0.5 plus yung y sub 6 natin is 0.25. Again, so let's solve this. So direct na natin para hindi na mahaba. 0.5 over 3 1 plus 0.667 plus 4 times 0.667. Okay, ang y sub 1 is okay, y sub 4. So mali pala ito. Ito ay y sub 4, which is y sub 4 is 0.33. Okay, 0.5 over 3 1 plus 0.33 plus 4 0.467 plus 0.4 plus 0.2857. So plus 2. So yung 0.5 plus 0.25 equal to okay, let's wait for the result for ito. Okay, so yung result ay 1.3738. 1.3738. Ito yung approximate value. Ngayon, to find the time value, so let's substitute this yung exact value. Let's integrate. So the integral of 1 over x, so 1 over x, yung lower limit natin is 1, yung upper is 4. So yung to, yung kanyang exact value ay 1.3862. 3862. So medyo malapit. And then ito yung exact value. So summation of t time value minus approximate value over time value. Tingnan natin ko ilang percent times 100. So substitute yung time value, which is yung time value natin ay yung exact 1.3862 minus yung approximate value 1.3738 over 1.3862. 1.3862 times 100. So let's compute 1.3862 minus 1.3738 over 1.3862. So yung result is 0.89% for problem number 3. For engineering problems, so problem number 4, engineering problem solving using Simpsons one-third rule. Find the solution for the given value of the table. So h is equal to 0.1, which is yung h is the value. So x from 0 to 0.0 to 0.4. So ito yung kanyang function of x, which is function of x is, kukunin natin yung ang 0 is 1, so 0.9975, okay, 99.99. yung 0.2, 0.3 is 0.9776 at yung 0.4 is 0.8604. So for the solution, so this is the table for x and y. So y sub 0 is 1 to hanggang y sub 4, and then let's apply the formula h over 3, quantity ng y sub 0 plus y sub 4 plus 4 quantity of y sub 1 plus y sub 3 quantity plus 2 y sub 2. So and then sunod natin gagawin ay substitute. So yung value ay, which is yung h is 0.1, substitute the value over 3, and then okay, yung y sub 0 natin is 1 plus 0.8604, yung y sub 4, and then plus 4, which is yung y sub 1 natin is 0.9975 plus 0.9776, y sub 3 plus 2 times ng y sub 2 natin na 0.99. So and then, so para makompute natin ito, so 0.3 divide 3, 0.1 divide 3, tapos 1 plus 0.8604 plus 4, 0.9975 plus 0.9, okay, 776 plus 2 times 0.99 is equal to 0.39136. So yung sagot ay ito, the integral of y dx 0.39136. so yun lang po for solving engineering solving problem number 4. For engineering problems, so problem number 4, engineering problem solving using Simpsons one-third rule. Find the solution for the given value of the table. So h is equal to 0.1, which is yung h is the value. So x from 0 to 0.4. So ito yung kanyang function of x, which is function of x is, kukunin natin yung ang 0 is 1, so 0.9975, okay, 99.99, yung 0.2, 0.3 is 0.9776, at yung 0.4 is 0.8604. So for the solution, so this is the table for x and y. So y sub 0 is 1 to hanggang y sub 4, and then let's apply the formula. H over 3 quantity ng y sub 0 plus y sub 4 plus 4 quantity of y sub 1 plus y sub 3 quantity plus 2 y sub 2. So and then sunod natin gagawin ay substitute. So yung value ay, which is yung h is 0.1, substitute the value over 3, and then okay, yung y sub 0 natin is 1 plus 0.8604, yung y sub 4, and then plus 4, which is yung y sub 1 natin is 0.9975 plus 0.9776, y sub 3 plus 2 times ng y sub 2 natin na 0.99. So and then, so para ma-compute natin ito, so 0.3 divide 3, 0.1 divide 3, tapos 1 plus 0.8604 plus 4, 0.9975 plus 0.9, okay, 776 plus 2 times 0.99 is equal to 0.39136. So yung sagot ay ito. The integral of y dx 0.39136. So yun lang po for solving engineering solving problem number 4.